Are you ready to start your preparation for UPSC Civil Services examination, but not sure where to begin? Turn your dream of clearing UPSC CSE into reality with VisionIAS Hyderabad GS Foundation course for 2026, 2027 and 2028. Receive holistic guidance and structured mentoring to help you excel in your preparation. Boost your performance with personalized mentoring from Delhi's expert faculty and proven strategies used by UPSC toppers. Get closer to achieving your UPSC aspirations with comprehensive study plans and a balanced approach to learning and assessment. 2026 batch starts from 3rd March, 8 a.m. 2027 and 2028 batches start from 12th February, 8:30 a.m. and 4 p.m.